In this video, you'll learn how to convert cryptocurrency into fiat on Binance. By following these steps, you will successfully exchange your digital assets for traditional currency. Begin by logging into your Binance account either through the app or the website. Once logged in, navigate to the trade section located on the main menu. You will have the option to select Convert for a quick swap without engaging with the order book. Alternatively, if there is a direct trading pair available, you can opt for spot trading. Ensure that the cryptocurrency you intend to convert is present in your spot wallet. It is important to remain in the conversion interface before proceeding further. Next, select the cryptocurrency you wish to convert. After that, choose your desired fiat currency, such as USD or P, will be the asset you receive. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to convert into fiat. Take a moment to preview the quoted exchange rate carefully, as this rate determines how much fiat you will receive. It is also advisable to review the estimated amount that you will get before you continue. Make sure the selected fiat currency is supported in your region to avoid any complications. Once you've confirmed the details, proceed to confirm the conversion. You will notice a countdown timer displayed on the screen, indicating the time left to finalize the transaction. Binance typically processes the conversion instantly, allowing for a quick exchange. After the transaction is completed, check your fiat and spot wallet to ensure that your fiat balance has been updated accordingly. If you wish to access your funds, you have the option to withdraw the fiat to your linked bank account after confirming the updated balance. It is essential to keep in mind that withdrawal times may vary depending on your bank's processing speed. Additionally, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your fiat wallet to avoid issues during withdrawal. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.